Happy Holi, guys.
Happy Holi, chat.
Chat. Alright, bye.
Hi guys, so we're playing Holi and I don't know what we're doing. We literally
brought a bucket of water.
Yeah, like
from
dragging
Anvesha's
it
house, that is
to the
phase
park.
1 to the other end of phase 1 to get it to the park.
Yeah, this place,
Yeah.
oh my god, we wasted so much water on the way, and now we went to pick up Ananya's phone from Ashi's dad. Why is there some random pick mark on the
Look at them. What? Where is what? What are you doing?
The water balloons I have. Oh my god.
Bucket में?
Let's try and leave it over there.
Do you
Come.
want to fill the water balloons?
Yeah, get the balloons. Come.
We'll get the balloon.
Yeah. So now we're on our way to get the balloons.
Yes. Not Anvesha just randomly starting a vlog.
Yeah, guys, I'm starting a vlog.
Water on me out of nowhere.
Sorry, bro.
She's prepared on your side. I am Sigma, guys. Sigma Holi celebration. Sigma boy, Sigma songs. With security uncles are playing.
Oh my god.
We just got sprayed big time, guys.
Sigma.
Yeah, there's like a literal.
Look at that.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright.
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है?
Actually, I was not gonna vlog today, Holi, but then she started vlogging it out of nowhere, so now it's a vlog, I guess. We were playing Holi over there. Now we have come to the park to play Holi, so it's like only our gang of friends.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if she's gonna post it on YouTube channel, but I just started vlogging so that for memories. You know,
Yeah.
Time pass we can.
Anyways-
When we grow up, we'll watch it and we'll be like, ooh.
Oh, diary!
Oh, right!
we can put it there. Long story. I discarded the video by mistake, guys. Yeah, I'm recording it again.
Recreation of the previous video.
Yeah.
Because Ananya idiot discarded. This is my gun. This is like totally my gun.
We all are, we went.
Oh my god. Naveen uncle. Water. Okay.
We have gone to, ancient period, well times.
Yeah.
Guys, the monkey literally fell in the water.
Yeah, oh my god. How did the monkey fall in the water? Oh my god!
Wait, can you guys see that? I don't know if you can, guys.
But like, yeah.
I can't see myself only.
Yeah, exactly.
We are sleeping on the basketball ground ka floor because it's so hot here.
And it's so
That's why it's chilling, guys. I literally can't see
I
anybody,
know,
right?
right? I'm getting blinded.
That's what. Where am I in this?
It's your teeth.
Oh, wait. I can see my face, but I don't know whether that's in the video
Yeah,
or that's a
it's
reflection. I can see you too, but I don't know whether that's a reflection
Yeah.
or it's actually a video. Okay.
Imagine if filming it and it's like.
Yeah, it's showing the sun. Okay, guys, bye. I can't even literally see myself. Where am
So
I?
high. Imagine it was just bathing in that shit, bro.
Oh yeah, maybe it was.
Gee. Thank you. Hey! That falls in my bucket now.
Imagine it does. So, guys, oh my god. I almost fell down. Ashi.
I'm gonna die.
So we just, we finished playing Holi over there.
Yeah.
Not exactly. We finished, mocking the monkeys over there.
Yeah.
And then sleeping on the ground. Now we're going to the original Holi area where we were actually playing before. And also where we can actually somewhat see ourselves, because I literally we couldn't see a single thing over
Yeah,
there.
actually, like
Yeah.
you're getting blinded by the lights.
That's what. Now we're going to get our stuff and then probably we'll play some more and then go.
Okay, see here, see here.
We have decided to finish all the colors and then go home. Sorry. My hairline is green. I can't see anything to even identify
Me and
my
Anvesha
hairline
have
is
matching
green.
hairlines.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is Anvesha. If any of you can see
I can't
her,
even see it. Wow.
this is her, Ashvi,
Yes.
My
pink hairline,
face feels so dry.
and my green hairline. If anybody can see. What was lavender?
my spit.
She keeps spitting and keep telling us, my spit is lavender, bro. My spit is
Every 2
lavender.
seconds, bro, is like my spit is lavender.
I don't
That's
know,
it.
bro. It's the water is like still there in my mouth.
That's nasty. So well, it's only us three then. We're gonna finish up all the colors and then we're gonna go home. Yeah. It's only 12. It's only 1 o'clock. That means I have like still 30 more minutes
All one.
to 1 hour. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna die in this cold, man. I have an exam on Monday, and we're all literally, partying and playing Holi over here. And if we get sick, we're gone. We're gone for Monday. Khatam, guys. Oh god.
Imagine I got recorded.
Yeah, monkey. What the hell am I? Look, what happened to you?
Yes, guys, this is our final condition after
Yes.
playing everything.
We thought we'd save some for next year, but like totally.
We finished everything
Yeah.
today, literally.
My mom was like, "Why are you getting so many colors? Are you gonna play with the entire Liberty or something?"
Right then, now it's time to
Go dip,
yep.
I guess.
After I spit this lavender out of my mouth. So we're going to concave ka mirror, science exam pass be like. We're going to concave ka mirror to check how we look.
And try to take aesthetic pictures.
Bro, I look like a freaking oldie. I don't know whether this is the video or this is the reflection.
What aesthetic pictures?
Oh, this is the reflection. Oh my god, look at that shirt. Oh, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, look at my pant. It's so colorful.
Look at my green ambassador shirt.
Bro, she
So we made it to the concave mirror to take picture. Oh my god. Look at all of us here.
I look like an oldie.
Look at mine. Mine is way worse.
What
Okay,
the hell, bro?
time to take picture, guys. Spitting lavender. After spitting lavender into the... I still can't see myself now. Whatever that rock sit and taking pictures in concave ka mirror. We are finally departing. Alright, bye.
Bye. I'll see you today again, hopefully.
Okay. So it's not only
not?
it's now only Anvesha and I. We're probably gonna record a few reels for Holika celebrations, and then later I'll go home when my father comes. So yeah, that's basically the vlog.
Imagine while we're vlogging itself, your dad comes.
Oh my god, yeah, imagine while vlogging itself my father comes. Hopefully he doesn't come, but yeah, that's the vlog that Anvesha started unknowingly. And now I'm going to end it knowingly. Bye!